Welcome back to A-Tech. In today's video, I'll show you how to recover your Gmail account without a recovery phone number, email, or password, even if your account has been hacked. Make sure to watch the video till the end and follow every instruction carefully. Before we get started, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss helpful content like this. Step 1. Adjust Google App settings. First, open the Google app on your phone. Tap on App Info, then click on Permissions, and select Location. Now, choose Don't Allow and confirm by tapping Don't Allow Anyway. This step helps block any background access that may interfere with the recovery process. Step 2. Disable Chrome permissions. Now locate the Google Chrome app on your phone. Tap on App Info, the Select Permissions, now click on Location, and again select Don't Allow. Confirm by tapping Don't Allow Anyway. Then minimize the app. Step 3. Install Brave browser. Next, go to the Play Store and search for the Brave browser. Download and install it, then minimize the Play Store. Step 4. Set Brave as default browser. Open the Brave browser. You'll see a prompt asking to set it as your default browser. Tap Continue, select Brave, and confirm it as your default. Step 5. Start the recovery process. In Brave, go to google.com and tap Sign In. Enter the Gmail address you want to recover and tap Next. Since the hacker may have changed the password, tap Forgot Password. Step 6. Handle two-step verification. Google may ask for verification via the recovery phone or email. If those are no longer accessible, tap Try Another Way. If you see an error like Couldn't sign you in, do not tap Try Again repeatedly. Doing so could temporarily lock your account. Step 7. Use Help option from Google Settings. Minimize Brave and go to your phone settings. Scroll down and tap on Google. At the top right, tap the Help icon, question mark or 3 dots. In the Help section, tap on the search bar. Type, Secure a hacked or compromised Google account. Step 8, navigate to recovery page. Tap the first option that appears. Scroll down and look for, if you can't sign in, go to the account recovery page. Tap it. This will automatically open in the Brave browser. Step 9, reset your password. Now, re-enter the Gmail address you're trying to recover and tap Next. After analyzing, Google successfully signed me in this device and now I have the option to change password. So I will click on Change Password and enter new password. Now my password is changed successfully. That's it for today. If you have any query, you can ask in comment.